Hey there, thanks so much for stopping by my video today. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. I do weekly meal prepping on Saturday mornings. I share with you what I'm meal prepping for the week for my lunches. So for this week, I'm going to do some stuffed peppers, and all my recipes typically are keto or low carb friendly. So if you've been around my channel before, you know that, but if you're new, I do lots of healthy, simple meal prepping. So click the subscribe button and click the bell button next to subscribe, and that'll give you a notification each time I post a new video. So if you're new, make sure you click that subscribe button. I'm gonna do these stuffed peppers I made a batch of shredded chicken in my crock pot, and I cooked it with some fire roasted diced tomatoes. So this shredded chicken is perfect for these stuffed peppers. They're perfect for tacos, burritos. I like to put it on my salad as well. So really awesome, big batch of shredded chicken. And I'm going to use, instead of rice, there's usually a lot of rice and stuffed peppers, but to keep this low carb, I have riced cauliflower. I just buy this when it steams in the bag, and it's so easy. I'm gonna add in some black beans, some corn, and then I'll put some shredded cheddar cheese on top. So this is really delicious, tons of flavor, really filling and healthy. I love stuffed peppers. My friend Karen at In the Kitchen with Karen, she made some stuffed peppers the other day, and she just gave me some inspiration to make some, so thanks, Karen. I'll put Karen's channel in the description box. She has the best recipes, you guys, so go check out her channel. It's wonderful. So I'm gonna make up these stuffed peppers for lunch for the week. They'll be ready to go, and I will show you how I'm going to cook them. I decided to use one of each color of bell pepper for this to make it nice and colorful. Orange is definitely my favorite for some reason, and green is my least favorite, but I love all bell peppers. They are so good for you, and I just love making stuffed peppers, all kinds of different versions, but I really like this Southwest one. You guys are gonna love it. So I'm just going to scoop out the seeds and all the filling with my little melon baller. You can use a spoon or a knife as well, but I love using the melon baller because it's a little bit sharp and really just gets in there and gets it all cleaned out. So I'm just going to cut each one in half, clean them all out, and then they will be ready. I'm going to bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes before I put the filling in to get them nice and soft, and then I'll bake them again once the filling is inside. And then it'll make all those flavors blend together into the peppers, and they'll be awesome. And this is a perfect lunch to have meal prep for the week. They last all week, and it's also a really great dinner too if you're looking for some dinner ideas. Nice and healthy and super easy. For my filling, I have my shredded chicken that I cooked in my crock pot. I have black beans and corn, and I'm going to use this riced cauliflower that I just steamed in the bag. It's so easy. You can substitute this for regular rice if you'd like. And I'm also going to add in this green thick and chunky salsa. I love this salsa. I use it in tacos and burritos and burrito bowls. It is so good. So I'm just going to stir everything around, and then this filling will be ready for the peppers once they are out of the oven. I've let the peppers cool for a second because they were super hot. Now I'm going to fill them with the shredded chicken mixture. It's so good. And then I'm just going to fill them each up as much as I can. I'm going to kind of stuff it in there. And then I'm going to add in some shredded cheddar cheese on the top. And you can use a Mexican blend cheese if you like, or really any kind of shredded cheese that your preference is. But once these are all filled and they have the cheese on them, I'm going to put them back into the oven for about 15 minutes, and they will be ready to go and ready to portion out into my meal prep containers, ready for lunch for the week. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell button next to subscribe. It'll give you a notification when I post new videos. I have tons of meal prep videos, so if you like this one and other healthy, easy recipes, click subscribe and you will get a notification for all of my videos coming up. Tons of videos coming up, and check out my past videos as well if you're looking for some inspiration for some meal prep ideas. All right, so my Southwestern stuffed peppers are all done. I'm going to portion them into my meal prep containers. I use these glass containers. I love them. I use them for all my meal prepping. I got them on Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description box if you need some new ones. If you need to update your meal prep containers, these are so awesome. Comes in a big old batch of all kinds. So I will put a link to these in Amazon. They're awesome, really great quality. So I'm going to portion out my stuffed peppers, and then they'll be ready for each day this week. I'll just pull them out of the refrigerator, heat them up. You can also add some avocados, really good on these, a little bit of sour cream. So good. So I hope that you guys enjoy this one, and I will get them portioned out. So lunch is all portioned out, ready to go for the week. So healthy. Southwestern stuffed bell peppers. So good, you guys. So I hope that you give this one a try. It's really healthy, delicious, and so easy as well. I have tons of lunch recipes for meal prep, so I'm going to put a playlist to all of those right here on the side. So just click on there and it'll take you straight to my playlist of all of my meal prepping for lunch ideas. So I hope that you enjoy that one. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Hope that you have a really great day. Bye-bye.